How to correct a mistake you've made on the CountLab 2 cash register. So in the sales position, if you've typed in a numeric value incorrectly, so it's the wrong price, you can just press clear, providing you haven't already pressed the department button. So if you type in the wrong price, just press clear. If you've typed in the wrong price and assigned it to a department, then this is where the EC button comes in. So it acts as a last item void or error correct. So just wrong price, it's clear. Wrong price into wrong department, it's error correct. If you've entered lots of lines and you need to get rid of one that's not the last one, so I've done £1 into department 1, 2 and 3, to void department 1, which wasn't the last one entered, I can't use error correct, that won't work, so I have to use void, minus symbol appears, enter the amount, and then the department, and that's voided off. If all those corrections are if you haven't cashed the sale off, so that's during the transaction. If you've cashed the sale off and you've realised you've made a mistake, then the void button doesn't work. The only way you can deal with it is to do a return. So you press the return button and then it acts like a void. You enter the amount, then the department, and then the relevant method of payment. Thanks for watching.